Let's make delicious custard slice or Kremšnita. This is one of our favorite recipes. It's sponsored by Koželj as we serve the dessert with penina brut dar sonca. Unroll 2 sheets of puff pastry, prickle over with a fork and bake until golden. Cut the edges to fit the custard slice baking dish. For the custard, separate the eggs. Add sugar, flour, cornstarch and vanilla paste and a bit of milk to the yolks. Whisk or use an electric mixer. Boil the milk with vanilla paste. Pour the hot milk over the egg yolks. Pour the mixture into a saucepan. Beat the egg whites and sugar until stiff peaks form. Cook the custard for 6 to 8 minutes until very thick. Add a third of egg whites to the hot custard. Then fold the custard with the egg whites. Arrange on top of the baked pastry. Chill for 3 hours. Add a layer of whipped cream and finish with a layer of puff pastry. Chill overnight. Cut into slices and serve with sparkling wine. But drink responsibly. Enjoy!